So, gist of it all, I didn't have the connector for the crank's or cam sensor in the distributor connected when I did all this. So, after putting it all back together and connecting it, put new wires previous to the video and the new ignition coil right there. 1 second, come over here. Ready? So there you go. I guess the point of this whole video, and yeah, it's got to be knocked. The next thing I'm going to do is the oil pump, and hopefully that'll kind of help sort that out. It's got a lot of low oil pressure. So, and yeah, I have the fan shroud removed, and I rerouted the coolant overflow hose, coolant return hose. Yeah, I guess the whole point of this video is one little mistake cause you a world of frustration. Forgetting to plug in the connector. But it's also a good example of how to find top dead center if you know, the other videos out there didn't work out for you. So there it is.